Dear students, in this class we are going to discuss about equivalent circuit of a transformer. The diagram shows the equivalent circuit of a transformer on no load. The supply voltage is V1 and the no load current is I0 and IC is the working component current. It is also noted as IW or IC. IM is the magnetizing current. The transformer has two components. One is resistive component, another one is inductive reactance component. The resistive component is referred as R0 and the inductive reactance component is referred as X0. The current flowing through the R0 is known as IC or working component current, that is active component current, and the value of current flowing through the X0 is IM, that is magnetizing component current, where R0 is equal to V1 divided by IC and X0 is equal to V1 divided by IM. IM is I0 sin pi naught and IC is I0 cos pi naught, where pi naught is the angle between voltage and current, that is V1 and I0. The IM and IC are obtained by phasor diagram. Let us see the equivalent circuit of a transformer on load, referred to primary and secondary sides respectively. The transformer has primary winding and secondary winding. The primary winding impedance is noted by Z1 and the secondary winding impedance is referred as Z2. The Z1 has two components, one is R1, another one is X1. Similarly, Z2 has two components, X2 and R2. That is, R is resistance and X is inductive reactance. See the diagram. It is the equivalent circuit of a transformer on load, referred to both primary and secondary. V1 is the supply voltage, I1 is the primary current, R1 is the primary resistance, X1 is the primary reactance, and I0 is the no load current, IC or IW is the working component current, R0 is the no load resistance, and X0 is the no load reactance, IM is the magnetizing current, I2 dash is the current flowing through the primary coil due to secondary coil when it is loaded. E1 is the primary induced voltage and E2 is the secondary induced voltage, R2 is the secondary resistance, X2 is secondary reactance, V2 is the secondary load voltage, that is terminal voltage, output voltage V2. Load is ZL. It is the equivalent circuit of a transformer on load, both referred to primary and secondary. Now we are going to transfer secondary parameters to primary side. We are going to transfer secondary parameters to primary side for reducing the equivalent circuit. R2 dash equal to R2 divided by K squared, X2 dash equal to X2 divided by K squared, Z2 dash equal to Z2 divided by K squared, where K is chance ratio, that is also called as transformation ratio. It is obtained by the copper loss. It is equal for both primary and secondary windings. Therefore, I1 squared R2 dash is equal to I2 squared R2. I1 squared R2 dash is equal to I2 squared R2. Therefore, R2 dash equal to I2 divided by I1 the whole squared into R2. Therefore, it is equal to R2 divided by K squared, where I2 by I1 is 1 by K. Therefore, R2 divided by K squared. I2 divided by I1 is 1 by K. Therefore, R2 divided by K squared is referred as R2 dash. Therefore, R2 dash is R2 by K squared. Similarly, X2 dash is X2 divided by K squared. Z2 dash is Z2 divided by K squared, where K is transformation ratio or trans ratio. For that, E2 dash equal to E2 by K dash. I2 dash equal to K into I2. E2 dash equal to E2 by K. I2 dash equal to K I2. K equal to N2 divided by N1, that is trans ratio. Now the equivalent circuit is transferred from secondary to the primary. Now the primary inductance is X1, the primary resistance is R1, and the no load current is I0, and IC is the working component current, that is IW. IM is magnetizing current flowing through the reactance X0. R0 is the open circuit resistance and X0 is the open circuit reactance. I1 is the current flowing through the primary winding. V1 is supply voltage. Z1 is the primary impedance, that is the combination of R1 and X1, and I2 dash is the current flowing through the primary referred to secondary. Okay, due to the current flowing through the secondary, and R2 dash is the secondary resistance referred to primary. X2 dash is secondary resistance referred to primary, and V2 dash is secondary voltage referred to primary. ZL dash is secondary impedance referred to primary. Therefore, ZL dash equal to ZL divided by K squared, R2 dash is R2 divided by K squared, X2 dash is X2 divided by K squared, and E2 dash equal to E1. E2 dash equal to E1. It is the equivalent circuit referred to primary. Now the equivalent circuit referred to secondary side. So transfer the primary side parameters to secondary side. Therefore R1 dash is k squared R1, x1 dash is k squared x1, z1 dash is k squared z1, e1 dash is k e1. I1 dash is I1 divided by k, I0 dash is I0 divided by k. Similarly, exciting circuit parameters are also transferred to secondary as R0 dash and X0 dash. So it is the equivalent circuit of a transformer on load referred to secondary. So V1 dash is the primary winding voltage referred to secondary, and Z1 dash is the primary winding impedance referred to secondary. Similarly, Z2 is secondary winding impedance. R0 dash and X0 dash are the resistance and reactance of the primary winding voltage referred to secondary. Okay, and I0 dash is the no load current referred to secondary. E2 equal to E1 dash and V2 is the secondary voltage. ZL is the load impedance. So it is the equivalent circuit of a transformer on load referred to secondary. Now we will see the reduced circuit, the reduced equivalent circuit with respect to primary. So V1 is the input voltage. The combination of R1 and R2 dash is referred as R01 for the approximate equivalent circuit. The combination of R1 and R2 dash is referred as R01. Similarly, the combination of X1 and X2 dash is referred as X01 for the approximate equivalent circuit. That is the reduced equivalent circuit we have to form. For that, R1 and R2 dash are combined to form R01. Similarly, X1 and X2 dash are combined to form X01. So the reduced equivalent circuit is shown in figure. Now R01 is the R1 plus R2 dash. Similarly, X01 is X1 plus X2 dash, and Z01 equal to R01 plus JX01. So it is the equivalent circuit of the reduced equivalent circuit of the transformer with respect to primary. Now it is also further reduced. Since the no load current is 1% of the total current, the no load circuit can be neglected. Since the no load current is 1% of the full load current, the no load circuit can be neglected. So the final approximate equivalent circuit of a transformer consists of only R01 and X01, that is Z01 referred to primary, and V2 dash is the secondary winding voltage referred to primary, and load resistance is ZL.